we'll discuss about horizontal and vertical lines. Now let's see an horizontal line. This is the XY axis. A line parallel to the x-axis. This is a horizontal line. Now what is the equation of this horizontal line? Consider if this is at a distance of a units, then the coordinate of point P will be 0, a. And if you consider any y coordinate on this line, it will be a, because the distance from x-axis to this line is a. So you can write the equation of this line as y equal to a, or you can write it in some way like we know that y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Since this is parallel to this, we can write y minus a is equal to 0 into x minus 0. Because the slope of any line parallel to x-axis is 0. Therefore, y minus a is equal to 0 and y equal to a. So, this is the equation of a horizontal line. Next, we'll move to the vertical line. Consider a vertical line. This is the xy axis. And a line parallel to the y-axis, L, is there. Now this is a vertical line. The distance from origin to this point P is B units. So the coordinates of P will be B, 0. Now how do you write the equation for this line? If you consider any x coordinate on this line, it will be b, because it is parallel to y-axis and it is at a distance of b units. The equation for this line will be x equal to b. Or you can use this formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now consider this point b, 0. X minus b is equal to y minus 0 by m. Any line parallel to y-axis, the slope will be undefined or infinity. Tan 90 degrees is undefined. Now x minus b is equal to y by infinity, so x minus b is equal to 0. Any value by infinity is 0, so x equal to b. After learning about horizontal and vertical lines, let us look at a small problem. Find the equations of the lines parallel to axis and passing through minus 3, 4. Now he has asked equations of the lines. The lines will be parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. Now plot minus 3, 4. Let it be point P whose coordinates are 3, 4. Now consider a line passing through P and parallel to x-axis. We have learnt in our previous discussion that any line parallel to x-axis will have an equation like this: y is equal to b, because on this line the y coordinate will be constant. The distance from the x-axis to this line is constant. Here the y coordinate is 4. So the equation of the line parallel to x-axis and passing through minus 3, 4 is y equal to 4. Consider this line. This line is parallel to y-axis and it passes through minus 3, 4. Any line which is parallel to y-axis will have an equation like this: x equal to a. because it will be at a distance of a units from y-axis. Now consider this line which is parallel to y-axis. It will always be at a distance of 3 units. If you consider a point here, it will be a distance of 3 units from y-axis. If you consider a point here on this line, it will be at a distance of 3 units from y-axis. Since it is on the negative side, you will write x equal to minus 3. So x equal to minus 3 and y equal to 4 are the equations of the lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis, which pass through minus 3 and 4.
If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment and share it with your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe for all our future videos.